Today Giancarlo is going to be fixing his light pod because only one is coming up. You can see the lights are still functioning, but the pod itself doesn't raise. So now using the manual override to raise the pod. So turning the lights on raises the other pod, but the other one stays up, but they do come down together. The next thing to check is there's power going to the motor, and there is. Seeing the pod is only working in one direction, it has to be the diode, so out comes the motor. 3 bolts hold it to the chassis and 1 nut connects the pod. Now it's only a simple matter of dislocating your wrist so you can get the motor out. Now with the motor on the bench, you can see the crack in the diode here, so that's got to be the problem. JCar have a limited supply, but this one will do the trick. So now to remove the old diode, clean the old contacts and then reattach the new one. With the new one in place, you can see it's slightly larger than the original. So with the motor outside the car, we're doing a quick test and yep, it looks like it's working. Now to put the motor back and then retest again. Now with the motor reinstalled, testing, and the pod works perfectly. The cost of repair was 25 cents for the diode, $3 for the donut, and no cost for Hoist Time as it was covered by membership, bringing a total of $3.25.